How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can arrange multiple models on the build plate in Anycubic Slicer with a single press of a button. Now it is extremely simple to do this, but as an example, let's go ahead and add even more shapes onto our plate right here. So let's go ahead and add a couple more, and from here you're simply good to go. Now, the way that you could go ahead and do this is to just simply press Ctrl A on your keyboard, and then everything will be highlighted or will be selected, and then you have the ability to just click on the arrange all objects. So if you click on it, you have the ability to manage the spacing, but in here it's just clicking the arrange button, and from there you should be good to go. Another way to do this easily is to just right click on your plate, click arrange, and then from here it will automatically be arranged all by itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.